Welcome to Jetwave Victoria, to our brand new experience and service centre located right here in the heart of Melbourne in Altona. As soon as you walk in the door, you're greeted by a huge and extensive range of high quality, Australian manufactured, high pressure solutions for you and your industry. Petrol and diesel driven options available in direct drive, gearbox reduction, hot and cold water outputs. Electric driven high pressure cleaners available in hot and cold water, single phase and three phase. For all you plumbers out there, we've got a massive range of Jetwave G2 water jetting solutions. These are available in an array of configurations, trailer mount as you can see here, but also available truck mount, ute mount, or we can fit it to a slide system, whatever you need to use it to your fleet.
Hi and welcome to Jetwave Victoria. My name's Darren, I'm one of the team members here at Jetwave Victoria. I look forward to showing you around our beautiful facility in Altona. We're open Monday to Friday from 8 till 4:30 p.m. Some of the services we offer here at Jetwave Victoria include not only our sales, but also servicing, repairs and installations for truck, trailer and ute installations. Jetwave offer a comprehensive range of globally sourced spare parts and accessories to get your machine up and running as soon as possible. Jason and I have a combined experience of over 35 years within the industry. We not only look after sales, but also all your service and maintenance needs. So feel free to come down to 10 Drake Boulevard in Altona and we'll be more than happy to accommodate you and your business.